Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, we are going to see about the applications, advantages and limitations of chromatography. First, applications of chromatography in analytical chemistry. Chromatography is used for the qualitative and quantitative analysis of compounds in a mixture. Chromatography can be used for the identification and determination of impurities, purity, and potency of pharmaceuticals, food products, and environmental samples. The purity detection of water samples and air samples is done by chromatography, and finally, detection of the presence of toxic contaminants in pesticides and oils is also done by chromatography. For this detection, the commonly used technique is gas chromatography and high performance liquid chromatography or HPLC. In forensic science, chromatography is used for the detection and identification of drugs, poisons, explosives, and other illicit substances in forensic samples. Chromatography is also used in the analysis of crime scenes like hair and blood samples. In biotechnology, chromatography is used for the purification of proteins, enzymes, nucleic acids, and other biomolecules from complex biological mixtures. Chromatography is also used for the analysis of biological fluids and tissues. In environmental science, chromatography is used for the monitoring and analysis of pollutants in air, water, soil, and other environmental samples. In petrochemical industry, chromatography is used for the analysis and purification of petroleum and its products. In pharmaceutical industry, chromatography is used for the purification and separation of active pharmaceutical ingredients and drug formulations. In food industry, chromatography is used for the analysis and separation of food additives, flavors and fragrances. Chromatography can be used to estimate the shelf life of food items by providing insights into when the food item gets spoiled. Chromatography can be used to understand the nutritional value of food samples. Chromatography can be used to analyze the presence of chemical additives in foods. Chromatography can be used for the clarification and skimming of milk. And finally, chromatography can be used for the extraction of cream and production of cheese. In molecular microbiology, nucleic acid research can be stimulated by these chromatographic techniques. And chromatographic techniques can be used to perform the study of proteomics and metabolomics. And HPLC technique can be used to carry out protein separation operations. And finally, several procedures like plasma fractionation and enzyme purification are based on chromatography. And in quality control, chromatography is used for the quality control of various products such as foods, pharmaceuticals and chemicals. And finally, in research and development, chromatography is used for the isolation, purification, characterization of new compounds and materials in research and development activities. Advantages of chromatography. Chromatography is capable of separating the complex mixtures at low operation or low operating temperatures. And large scale batch or continuous operation is possible in chromatography. And the chromatography is also capable of separating materials according to the size and chemical properties. And the chromatography can be used to separate heat level compounds. The separation by using chromatography can be achieved by variety of methods. And finally, very pure products can be recovered through chromatography techniques. Finally, limitations of chromatography. The first limitation is process scale-up is a big problem in chromatography techniques, followed by irreversible absorption of material creates the problem during the chromatographic analysis. And to achieve efficient separation, high operating pressures may be required. Overloading of columns with feed materials may cause incomplete separation, and feed materials is diluted by flowing the mobile phase. Non-uniform column packaging can lead to a significant decrease in separation performance. Pre-filtration of feed material is required for the chromatographic process, and finally periodic column repacking or regeneration is required for the chromatography technique. Dear viewers, that's all about the advantages, limitations and applications of chromatography. Thank you for your support. Thank you.